Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make this very, very, very squeaky sound with your hands. Okay, so it'll sound like this. Okay, I saw some people make some videos of this, but oh yeah. First, you put your picture straight. It's like a just straight. Okay, a circle. Say girl, 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 girl. Okay, girl, 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 girl. Girl, 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 girl. Okay. Now, well, that's it. In my next video, in my next video, I might be able to teach you. But if I reach try to reach 36 likes and at least 3 comments about how good it is, then I'll show you how to do this. Next to see you, don't forget to subscribe so you can watch the next video. Super Sponge, Super Chase all the way away. Rat chitty chick, rat chitty chick, rat chitty chick, rat chitty chick.